Stop giving out your main Wi-Fi password to guests. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your secure, isolated guest network and hard cap it at 10 megabits. Whether it's for your home or office, this ensures your guests stay separate from your private data and never lag your main network again. Hi everyone, Juan here. Now, depending on your UniFi Controller version, your menus might look a tiny bit different than mine. Don't worry, the settings are not hard to find and the exact same principles apply no matter what version you are running. Alright, let's do this in a few simple steps. First we go to settings and then networks. We create a new network. We name it Guest Wi-Fi. The zone, we're going to pick the hotspot zone. We can leave this in auto scale and it will automatically create a VLAN for you. So it's going to create VLAN 2 here. That's fine. And we're going to hit create. So now that the network is done, next step we're gonna create a Wi-Fi speed rule. So we go to Wi-Fi, and I create new, and name is new 10 megabit limit. The download speed, we set it to 10. Upload, I normally pick 2 or 5. I'll just hit 5 here. I'm gonna add it. All right, that's completed. Now we scroll up. We're still on the Wi-Fi networks option. Click create new. Just gonna put guest Wi-Fi. Password. Choose whatever password you want. Make it secure though. And the network, we're going to scroll down and pick the newly created guest Wi-Fi network. So it's right here. Click here. Application. We select standard. And we scroll all the way down here. And we make sure client device isolation is checked. This keeps clients on the guest Wi-Fi from talking to each other. And then here, the Wi-Fi speed limit. We're gonna pick the one we just created. So it's this one here, new 10 megabits limit. And then we'll create the new SSID network. And there it is. All right, let's test it. Okay, I have a few devices here. I'm going to join the guest Wi-Fi. Put in the password. And it's connected. As you can see here, it pulled an IP from the newly created subnet, the 192.168.3.96. Let's test the speed. Oh, that's the captive portal. Just click login. Success. Now we try our speeds. All right. It won't go over 10 megabits because it's capped at 10 megabits. Guest Wi-Fi. Connect. Guest Wi-Fi is asking to sign in. Login. All right. Let's see the IP that it pulled. And it pulled a 192.168.329. All right, same thing with the Kali Linux box. We connect. And there it is, it's connected. Let's do a speed test. And it can go over 10 megabits. All right, there you have it. A few side notes. If you'd follow all the steps, but some clients are connecting to the Guest Wi-Fi, but at higher speeds, the first troubleshooting step is to restart the equipment and try again. The second is to recreate the steps, but with different network/subnets and a different Wi-Fi name. UniFi stores client MAC addresses for a period of time, and if those guest clients had higher speeds before, they won't be capped right away. Last and final troubleshooting step. Let's say all clients are connecting now, everything's working at 10 megabits, but there's still one client that is not connecting at that speed, it goes over. There's a way to force that rule onto that client. So we click settings, we search for IP table, click on it, and then we look for that client. Let's say this is a stubborn client, and we pick that client, we apply the newly created rule, and that will force it, guaranteed. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this video if it's been helpful. Have a wonderful day.